let's explore how to create a bill of materials, BOM, in Cygzen ERP. First, let's review the items we have already created in our item list. We have created Oppo Mobile as a product. Additionally, we have raw material items such as Oppo screen, graphic card, 12GB RAM, and 64GB ROM. To begin, go to the manufacturing module and click on Bill of Materials or type BOM in the Awesome bar. Here, all the BOMs will appear on the screen. We will be creating two BOMs. First, let's create a BOM for the Oppo motherboard. Click on Add BOM. Enter the item name and quantity in their respective fields. Go to the cost configuration section and select the rate of raw material based on and currency. In the raw materials section, enter the items in the items table and set the quantity for each item. Next, go to the Operations section and tick the With Operation option. In the Operations table, select the operation and workstation. Enter the operation time in the respective fields and specify the batch size. Proceed to the Scrap and Process Loss section. Select the scrap item and quantity in the scrap items table. Enter the rate of the scrap item. Finally, go to the costing section where you can see the total cost of the BOM. Then, save and submit. Similarly, we will create a BOM for the Oppo Mobile. Click on Add BOM and enter the item name and quantity in their respective fields. Enter the raw materials in the item table. Go to the Operations section and tick the With Operations option. Enter the operations in the Operations table. Next, go to the Scrap and Process Loss section and add items in the Scrap Items table if required. Then, go to the Costing section to view the details of the BOM's cost. Save and submit to create the BOM successfully. And that's how you create a bill of materials in Cygzen ERP.